If you've been eyeing the TitaChef Cutting Board and thinking it might be the next big upgrade for your kitchen, hold on a second because this product might not be as clean-cut as it looks. Marketed as being made from 100% pure titanium, the TitaChef board promises ultra durability, superior hygiene, and a knife-friendly surface that supposedly puts traditional boards to shame. Sounds like a dream, right? But when you dig deeper, the picture starts to fall apart. First off, there's no lab testing, no third-party verification, and absolutely no documentation to prove it's made of titanium at all. For a product that makes such bold material claims, this is a huge red flag. On top of that, there are no certifications from food safety authorities or endorsements from chefs or kitchen experts, something you'd expect from a product targeting professionals and health-conscious users alike. The website, TitaChef.store, looks clean and modern, but it was just registered on June 4, 2025, which means it's brand new and hasn't stood the test of time. That alone doesn't make it a scam, but when combined with fake urgency tactics like countdown timers that reset and limited stock, warnings that seem designed to pressure you into buying fast, it starts to raise serious doubts about the brand's transparency. Digging further, you won't find any active social media accounts or credible influencer mentions, which is strange for a company trying to go viral with such a unique kitchen product. And while the board is listed on Amazon, it's sitting at an underwhelming 3.5 stars and not a single written review to support those ratings. That's not just odd, it's concerning. A truly quality product usually has passionate users writing about their experience. So where does that leave us? This isn't a glowing recommendation, but it's not a total takedown either. The board might be decent, but right now there's just not enough real-world evidence to trust the hype. If you still want to check it out, the product is tagged in this video. But proceed with caution and don't let slick marketing make the decision for you.